cute little coconut cakes. Tip, soak these little bits of the batter on the inside. If you put water in them and soak them, they'll make them so much easier to clean. Just thank yourself. Take this off. Nice. Okay, so this is what the cakes are gonna look like. I have a taste of them. So this is the cupcake version. Are you ready? Yes.
Delicious.
Tier 2 for 2 years.
Feliz Anniversario, Miss Molly Cookie Heart, Miss
Sam,
Molly
I
Cookie
am.
Heart,
Thank
Miss
you so
Molly
much.
Cookie Heart, Miss Molly Cookie Heart.
Thank you
Sorry,
for being
always working or
hard-
doing something when you are streaming an ATM. I am sick.
You're sick, you poor thing. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being tier 2, Silver Crew, for 2 years. Thank you very much. Hope you're feeling better, Sam. Got the flu or something? Hope you feel better. Oh, this is so good. Yum. Slight coconut flavor, but the flakes of the coconut in there. Can you see that? So good. So good. All right, let's get some of this syrup. The gin and tonic syrup. A bit of bitters. Yum. They are so good. Oh my God, you guys are gonna love it. Yum. I'm so happy. Not with this buttercream though. Damn it. I should have used proper cream cheese instead of mascarpone. It tastes really good. But this is why I should stick to a recipe. It's light. It's light and creamy. It's really wonderful. It's so good. But it's just not thick enough. Is that custard? No, it's supposed to be, it's like a cream, buttercream. I put coconut milk in there, coconut cream instead. I was trying to add coconut flavor to it. The coconut fat. Coconut milk has made it runny. More powdered sugar, but then I'll make it sweeter, and I don't really want to make it sweeter. I'm gonna add some proper cream cheese. Damn it.